My surprise, like the picture got clear as soon as I arrived. And 20 years later when I wake up, it's hard for me to try to even think about where I've been. Everything is fuzzy and my memory is bad. It's like the past is a blur that I never lived. Reading old rhymes from a old book sound like something Nolan Ryman would never give. Who am I? Like Sleaze One asked itself in 96 on that Black Forest monument. The answer is Wayne writing on his third rock. Proof for the truth from the document. Some like to call me Nolan Ryman, but most call me Third Rock or Third when they know me well. If you ain't never met me or just meet me for the first time, you can say he's cooler than I told myself. As far as being industry, if never that, I've never been the one to really care about what y'all are doing. I always do my own thing, never follow people, they will lead you nowhere until your life is ruined. Why is that? Like KR